heestaadii macaani.
Yeah. Hey, what up, Anaji?
Hey, Vio, what's good?
Hey, nah.
How about Bella?
Hey, that
Bella is
dang
shit.
it, man.
Baba, like, yeah, man.
Like that,
You were the never coast to
yeah.
Come on, y'all.
I be doing this every day. AV, oh, you know who I be. By the way, whisper words that will clear cloudy day. Anything may come into play. You heard enough compliments about your looks. Now I tested your self-confidence. My different approach. Now you're coming back for more like I'm your coach. Forget the stress. Exercise your mind while I talk about mindsets. Like dead press. Tell me, have you ever been torn apart or spent a night with a broken heart? Before we take it to the next level, think about contraception. They make your body hot like volcanic eruption.
hadalkaaga macaan aragaaga wanaagsan jirkaaga dhaqaaqi simankaaga toosan leeftayda waaye ku nuursahaaye axdiga doowe naftayda jooge la habiixin barafkii qaboobaa jire baadkay ka soo gal i labaasha la habiixin barafkii qaboobaa jire baadkay ka soo gal i labaasha isoo dhawaatay agtay imaame dhaxdaada qabsado udgoon badaane rashida macaanteed dhaxda habboone nusigayga waaye waa ka helaaye la habiixin barafkii qaboobaa jire baadkay ka soo gal i labaasha la habiixin barafkii qaboobaa jire baadkay ka soo gal i labaasha.
Yeah, you just don't understand. Avocado's known for a one-night stand. Back breaking the ass kicking, that's one tight plan. Turn a shy girl into wild girl that needs more attention but seeks no relation. Come on, girl, let me show you how I do that. Come on, girl,
Yeah.
you just show me how you
Come on,
shake
girl.
that ass. Forget the past about your ex. You know nothing lasts forever. There won't be